So this question comes from Brooke, who's attending the next masterclass. She asked this question around, how often do you typically wait between adjusting your PPC budget and bids? And when is the best to adjust your bids and the overall budget for those keywords? So Brooke, the biggest question around when to adjust is going to be after you look at the data. If you're not getting the impressions on your ads, you need to increase your budget. You need to increase your bids. So two things you need to look at. One is, where is my ad showing up? Is it top of search, rest of search? Is it on a detail page? What is my performance on each of those locations? And then how do I get more of where it's doing the best? Now, if you're not getting those clicks or impressions, you need to adjust that strategy. So if you're getting impressions but no clicks, there's an issue with your content, your pricing, your images. You need to go and diagnose it. So ads are a great way to get a feedback loop on how good your offer is, the quality of your content, and how competitive you can be on that specific keyword. So ask yourself, is this a keyword that's generic? Are there a lot of competitors that are selling similar products to me on that keyword? Or is it, something that I might not be able to actually get clicks on because people searching that are looking for something else? So the buyer intent for that keyword for your product, specific to your product, is really important. And then using those that data and those feedback loops to make better decisions. We're going to cover a lot of that in this masterclass coming up. So hopefully we'll dig into that in more detail. And if everybody else watching this is interested in getting more questions and learning more about ads, make sure you attend that masterclass below.